Hello, I want to share a little bit with you about EdPuzzle. It is an easy to use platform that allows you to share videos with your audience. I think this would be a really great method for me to share professional development opportunities with my fellow third grade teachers. This could be used by administrators, by small groups of adults who are working towards professional development. It could also be used in small groups with students. It's just a simple and engaging way of providing a little bit more engagement in videos. So I can show you through an account that I made, a free account that I made. One of the topics that has to be covered in third grade in Kansas science is water conservation. And this is just a great video that was connected through National Geographic, I believe. And what I love is you can watch the video and then you can create your own questions. And I could put in the question, what is Colorado College doing to decrease water use? And ask students to question. So when they get to this part in the video will not continue until they answer the question, which I think is really fun. It could also just be a note if you didn't want to ask a question. But anyways, it's a really great opportunity. I love this platform because it's simple. It's not overly complicated with other things. You can just pick videos from um, you can pick videos from all of these platforms, which is nice. It has some that are already there. You could make your own in Powtoons or Animaker and upload it, but it's just simple and it's not muddied. And I think this is a great way for us as educators to work together and empower each other to become empowered learners.